Never start an Airbnb company without knowing these 3 tips, tricks, and strategies. Number 1 is you want to be next to H&H, hospitals and hills. Hospitals, because you can pick up traveling nurses for longer stays, as well as guests that are coming in for surgery. Their loved ones need someone to stay close. Hills. People like to travel. People like to come to ski. People want to go hunting, fishing. They want to stay in, log cabins. These are great locations for Airbnbs. Okay. The second thing you want to look for is to make sure your occupancy rate is above 65%. The way to do that is just go to airdna.co, put in your city, okay, in your state, and it's going to tell you want to be above 65%. If it's lower than 65%, that tells me that other competitors are not doing that well in that area. I'm going to stay away from those. Okay, now to find the right property and to pitch the landlord, you want to make sure that it's easier to do it by having concessions. Go to Zillow.com. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to find a property that's been listed on Zillow for more than 90 days. Why? Because now I can talk to a landlord as a corporate leasing company and negotiate at least a free month on the front end and tell them that I'm going to sign a 3-year lease versus a 1-year lease and try to get a free month of free rent on the front end. He's also more likely to give me an opportunity to rent on short-term platforms because it's been listed for 90 days and they're not able to rent it. And I can actually negotiate the price as well. And find a property that's already furnished. Why? Because it's less time to actually go out and buy the stuff to furnish it, as well as the cost of initially getting involved in this business. You don't have to pay if it's already furnished. Follow me for more tips, tricks, and strategies just like this. But more importantly, go to my bio, click the link. I got something special for you guys. Let's roll.